Unraveling the meaning of sound mind. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: sound mind. Understanding phrases like this is not just about adding words to your vocabulary, but also about getting a deeper insight into how English speakers express complex ideas in a few words. So, let's explore together what it means to have a sound mind and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. The phrase, sound mind, is an adjective-noun combination. Here, sound doesn't refer to noise or audio, but rather it's an adjective that means healthy or robust. When we talk about a sound structure, we mean that the structure is sturdy and well-built. Similarly, when we say someone has a sound mind, we're saying that their mental state is healthy and their thinking is clear and rational. Context is key when using the phrase, sound mind. It is often used in legal and medical contexts to describe a person's mental capacity to make decisions or understand the consequences of their actions. For example, signing a will requires that the person is of sound mind, which means they understand the significance and the effects of their decisions regarding their estate. In everyday conversation, you might not use sound mind as often as in legal contexts, but it's still applicable. If someone makes a decision that you think is wise, you could say, "She made that choice with a sound mind," implying that the decision was made thoughtfully and with good judgment. For every phrase, there's often an opposite, and in the case of sound mind, you might encounter terms like unsound mind or disturbed mind. These suggest that a person's mental state is not healthy or that they're not thinking clearly. I hope this discussion helps illuminate the meaning of sound mind for you. It's a powerful phrase that conveys a lot about a person's mental health and their ability to think and make decisions. Remember, learning phrases like this is a great step towards sound language learning strategies. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and use your sound mind to think of examples where this phrase might apply in your life.